Hey guys, today I'll be doing a one-handed tutorial, and so yeah, this will help you learn the fundamentals of one-handed solving, and hopefully you can get fast at one-handed solving through this video. So first, you need a good hardware. I use the Moyo Weilong GTS 2M, and it's at a good size for me. It is 55.5 milliliters. Or the GAN 356XS is just way too big, although it is a better design cube in my opinion. So I use this for one-handed solving. So yeah, make sure your cube is not too slow either, as that will tire your fingers out and it's like you can't practice well and you will turn slower. Now, just because you have good hardware doesn't mean you can turn really well, although it might be a really good hardware for one-handed solving. So what you need to know to get a fast time is, firstly, you need to learn how to do the moves and what moves to do. So for the how to do the moves part, you will learn the finger tricks. And the other part, where what moves to do, you should learn some one-handed algorithms. So today that's what I'm going to focus about. So firstly, about the finger tricks, you should okay, firstly, which hand you use. I use the left hand as it is easier for me to do R and U moves, and most of my algorithms include R and U moves. If I use my right hand, that means my algorithms should use more L and U moves, and yeah, hopefully that will help you. So if you are lefty, use your right hand. If you're righty, then use your left hand. It may seem counterintuitive that you're right-handed but you're using your left hand, but it actually doesn't matter. You can get good at both hands. And yeah, my right hand's actually really bad, although I'm right-handed. So yeah, I can't do the most well on my left hand. So yeah, so first finger trick is the R in R prime. So R, what you do is you flick like that, and yeah, you try to grip and push it up properly with your pinky. And for R prime, you move it to the front and you flick it backwards like that. So this may be difficult at first, but just practice. One day you'll be able to get good at it. And for the U and U prime, for U prime you just do it like a normal 3x3 solve, nothing really special. And for U, what you do is you move your finger forward and smack it back and flick. So with this you can do U perm and the other U perm. And so one way to practice like your this would be to do R U perm U prime. So that was bad, so yeah, I need more practice. So yeah, next finger trick is the L. So for L moves, you don't have a hand to like move, you can't move your wrist. So what you should do is rotate the cube sideways and do U moves. So for L prime move, where you want to move this layer up, you rotate here and you do U prime. And for L move, where you do this, you should rotate sideways and do this. So L and L prime. So like the J perm, and then rotate and do the last move. So then you should learn the F move. So for F, you use your thumb and push this way, and for F prime, you use your index finger and flick this way. So you can use them in the T palm. So you do this and F, F prime. And lastly, the D finger trick. So you hold the cube upwards and we grip and you flick it like that. And for D prime, you push like this. And yeah, so you can find this in like the R palm. So push. So yeah, with these moves you can do a large number of algorithms, but some of these algorithms are not designed for one-handed solving. So let's take the J-pump. So the J-pump is a pretty fast algorithm, but what the problem is, it uses an F move. So that although F moves can be fast, it's slower than R, U, L moves, and plus F moves, they require like a repositioning of your hands, causing you to mess up more often. So instead of doing the regular J-pump, most people will learn a different out, which will be on screen now. So it goes like that. So what this does is it causes you to have to do less like regrips, and like the turns you have to do be more comfortable for one-handed. So people will normally learn a large chunk of one-handed algorithms, but like you don't actually have to learn that many. I have learned quite a number of one-handed PLLs and quite a number of OLLs, and after practicing for around 6 months of one-handed solving, I now average around 17 seconds. So yeah, just practice and learn algorithms. Maybe in the future I will make a video of my one-handed PLLs and my one-handed OLLs for you to have a gauge of what to learn and how to do the moves. So yeah, make sure you practice, and here I'm gonna do a solve now, show you the finger tricks. So scramble the cube now, and yeah. So first, I'll hold the cube like that. The cross, I'll do white cross. Okay, so I'll insert blue and insert orange, then I will insert green with red. So I'll hold it like that, insert the tool, I'll do U like that, insert everything. So now the F12. So first pair, I'll just use the RU finger tricks, R. And next, this pair. So the normal, like the way will be like to do this, but it's not really easy for one-handed. So what's better is just take it out and then insert it properly. Next, this pair is just RU, and then rotate, and then do a R insert. So yeah, try to focus on your RU moves as they are the fastest. Then hit OL, and then here's a one-handed H pump with only RU moves so that I can do it faster. So hope you learn something and you will practice your one-handed and be good at one-handed. And yeah, see you soon.